Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Huntington mobile banking, secure fix step by step clearly. Open the Huntington mobile banking app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, find it in your device's app store. Once the app opens, look for the sign in button on the main screen. Tap on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type in your username carefully. After entering your username, proceed to the password field. Enter your password securely. Once both fields are filled, double-check for any errors. If everything looks correct, tap on the sign in button again. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your information if necessary. For secure access, ensure you are using a private and secure internet connection. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for banking transactions. After successfully logging in, navigate the app to manage your accounts. If prompted, consider enabling biometric login for easier access in the future. Remember to log out after your session to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.